Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out a Mother's Day essential, Benchmark Bouquets Signature Roses and Alstroemeria. It's a beautiful vase of fresh cut flowers, and this vase of flowers has over 3,000 ratings on Amazon with a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. Awesome. This is also available with Prime overnight shipping, so orders received Mondays through Thursdays before 10 a.m. Pacific will arrive the next day. So please confirm your date at checkout. Unfortunately, there are no Saturday, Sunday, or Monday deliveries for overnight. This is the perfect gift. Just check the box labeled "This is a gift" in your cart or at checkout and write a personalized message. When your flowers arrive, the recipient can peel back the shipping label to reveal your note, so don't forget to sign your name. These flowers are shipped in bud stage. The beautiful flower bouquet ships directly from the farm in the flower's bud stage to ensure a long life. The blooms will open in 2 or 3 days. Picking them in the bud stage ensures better travel and longer lasting flowers. Benchmark is behind every aspect of these bouquets, unlike most flower delivery companies. So you can expect consistent quality. Their floral designers arrange each bouquet specifically to maintain quality and consistency for its overnight trip. Remove the flowers from the box, cut the stems, and replace them in a vase with fresh water and a flower food packet. And this arrangement includes pink roses and white Alstroemeria. The package dimension is 26 by 7 by 7 inches and weighs about 5.5 pounds. Now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser. I sent 4 different Benchmark bouquets to my mother, mother-in-law, best friend, and wife, and my daughter-in-law. The bouquets were beautiful and each person was very impressed. I'm actually taking the time to write this review to let you know that you've made me a believer. I used to get my flowers from a different company. The quality was not even close, and the cost was more than double than getting them through Amazon. So great job, Amazon. You have my business in another area where you shine. Well, there you go. Don't wait till the last minute, even though it's overnight delivery. Send a Benchmark bouquet to a loved one today or just in time for Mother's Day. I think you're going to love it.